In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store, then tap on the More icon and select My Apps and Games. Here you'll find all applications that can be updated, and you can either update one particular application or update everything by tapping on Update All. So this is how you can update one app, then you can stop it the same way, or you can update all smoothly by tapping on Update All. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, so you can make some phone call, watch some movie, search the browser, or smoothly deactivate your phone, just like that. And then if you will unlock it, you will be able to check the progress. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.